Telegram, how to ban user from group. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can ban users from groups on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you would like to ban users from groups on Telegram, all you have to do is open the Telegram app here. Now, in order to ban a user from your group, you need to be the owner and have the admin access to that group. If you are not the admin, you will not be able to ban that particular user. Now to ban it is very simple. Now I'm not the admin of this, but I'm just showing you. If you want to ban, let's say, this person here within the group, all I need to do is reply to that message like this and then type in the command, which is got slash, and then just type in ban. So once you type in /ban, it's going to actually send a request to ban this. If you're not the admin, this is not going to work, so I'm not going to send it. But if you are the admin, you type in /ban, that particular person will get banned on Telegram. This way you'll be able to ban users from groups on Telegram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any question, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.